Hello. We'll be solving question number 4 from phase 1, chapter Forces and the Laws of Motion. This is question number 4 in the exercise 1. So let's read it. An impulsive force of 100 Newton acts on a body for 1 second. And what is the change in its linear momentum? The first question is, what is impulsive force? We know about the force. The impulsive force is the force which is acting for a very short time, but causes a change. So whenever a force is acting for a very short time, we call that force as an impulsive force. Okay. Just a different name we call it. So there is an impulsive force, 100 Newton, which is acting for 1 second. So we have to calculate the change in the linear momentum. So we'll go by the second law. If I go by the second law, Newton's second law, that is F is equals to force is equals to delta B by delta. This is your second law. Here, this force is a net force, basically. And as you can see in this question, there's no other force they are talking about. So I'll be assuming this is the only force which is acting in this system. So the force is 100 Newton. According to the question, we have to calculate the change in momentum, which is delta P, and the time taken is 1 second. So we'll get the delta P value as 100 Newton into second. So change in momentum in this case is coming out to be 100 Newton into second. Okay. Thank you.